Here we are on Barry Cimarron. It didn't pass smog. It was pretty high on NOX. Everything, timing-wise and everything, is correct. So, quick, easy, painless thing to do is change out the O2 sensor. They only cost a couple bucks. Takes hardly any time to do it. Get that done. Then have them go pre-test it. Drive it a bit and pre-test it. Because I really don't want to have to replace the cat on this. Because it's so low miles. But that would be the next step. Alright, so on the Cimarron, O2 sensors right down. It's hard to see with the camera. But this wire right here, you can see it. Easy peasy. Put your socket on it. Bust loose with the ratchet. Pop the new one in. Old sensor, new sensor. Old sensor, new sensor. All done. Here's your wire. Yep, all done. All right, gonna fire it up. And that's that.